Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook macaroni salad. First, select about 1 pound of elbow macaroni for that classic texture. Cook it al dente, which means it should be firm to the bite, following the package instructions, usually for about 7 to 9 minutes. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it immediately with cold water. This crucial step stops the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from becoming mushy or sticking together, ensuring a perfect base for your salad. Next, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. These ingredients form the tangy and rich base. Then, season with 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and all the flavors are beautifully blended. This dressing is the heart of your macaroni salad. Now it's time to add some vibrant freshness and crunch to our salad. Finely dice 1 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of red onion, and 1/2 cup of a colorful bell pepper, like red or green. Uniformly chopping these vegetables ensures that every bite offers a balanced mix of textures and flavors. Finally, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley. These fresh ingredients not only add a delightful crunch, but also bring a burst of color and a refreshing taste to your macaroni salad. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your cooked macaroni and the freshly chopped vegetables to the bowl with the creamy dressing. Gently fold everything together using a large spoon or spatula, ensuring that every piece of macaroni and every vegetable is thoroughly coated in that delicious dressing. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a perfectly refreshing and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.